What's good, everybody? We're about to do an unboxing on the torch lighter that I have. So, make sure y'all like, subscribe before we get started. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all what's up. My first time having one of these. I have a regular torch. Let me show you. A little small baby one right here, as y'all can see. But we got a big one. A big one. So yeah, let's check this out. Coming in a nice little box right here. Oops. Let me get so y'all get a nice little view right here. Sorry, I edited. I need to. Right. Here we go. Boom. Nice little box. Pretty cool. Got the little booklet, I guess. Just show y'all how to use it. But you know, we just like to do it ourselves. Nice little light. Hopefully I don't burn myself with this thing. But yeah, it's a good little light if you go out in the woods. You want to light the wood on fire. I don't know. I gotta see what it look like. See how big the flame is. But yeah, here go the case. Nice little suede case. Pretty cool. Alright, now I gotta put some of this in there. I never did this, so this will be my first time filling it up. And why am I shit now focusing? Hold on. Alright, there we go. That's a lot better. Y'all can see it now. I can't even press it because it got a lock mechanism right there. To lock it, to unlock it. See a little spark. Alright, we're about to fill it up. We about to fill it up. I don't know when you know when it's full, but alright. We got this plus and minus. So how far you want the thing to go. Right now I got it in a minus. So just in case I don't want to burn my face off. Here we go. Ooh wee. Got a nice little sound to it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna light some shit on fire with this. I'm gonna show y'all some shit with this thing. We're gonna have a good time. All right, now I'm about to put it in plus. All right. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Somebody come up in here with this, break up in here with this, I could burn their eyeballs out with it. I'm just playing. But this is nice. So you got in the wood trying to light some shit on fire, a campfire or whatever. This is the thing to use right here. So yeah, y'all want one of these. I have it down in the description below. So yeah, check it out. Y'all want one. But ooh, and it's a big flame. And I can feel the heat from it, from like right here. I'm gonna put it in the middle. You know what? We'll be back. Damn, little baby. Like, what the hell? But I hope y'all like the video. Just a little something. I hope y'all like the video. Over and out. Y'all want one? It'll be in the description down below. Yeah, get y'all one. It's nice. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.